Hello guys, it's a beautiful evening, early October. The weather is nice. It's Naples Beach. Naples City is very cute, very cozy and gorgeous. Please come visit any time of the year. I will show you downtown of Naples before Christmas because when it's decorated for Christmas it's just gorgeous. It's just beautiful and amazing. And it's almost Christmas time, so we will go there later. We left the car right here on the street and we had to pay $5 an hour and some taxes and fees on top of it. Total was $5.25 for 1 hour. It's Broad Avenue. Very cute. Look at this nice cute coconuts. Don't park your car under the coconut trees, guys. And that's what we did. We parked our car right under the coconut tree. There's lots of beautiful old houses, new houses, and they all look so gorgeous. Unfortunately, they're really expensive, and doesn't matter how much I like Naples, I cannot afford to live here. We just were going down the street and they were like our most favorite stores, just lined up in one street, in one place. It is believed that most of the population of Naples City are retired people. And there's also like a lot of properties that belong to winter birds or people who live in cold states and then they come here often year round to have some beach time. Especially the properties that are close to the beach. The closer to beach, the more properties that are occupied by people who actually don't live there. We are going right to the beach. The beach is wonderful. It says on the Google map it's 7-mile long beach with white sugar sand that again never ever gets hot. I would say these houses on my right, they look pretty much old. At least the design is like 100 years ago, was very popular. But I cannot say for sure how old are these tiny houses. I'm always questioning how much do people earn to afford these houses and what are they doing for life. If you live here, please tell me, how did you get this house? And what are you doing for life? And how expensive is your house today if you want to sell it? Or if you don't want to sell it, just tell me the estimate. Very cute, guys. I would say they have a nice little pier. It's little, but not nice anymore. I guess Hurricane Ian was here a year ago too, but there is no other damages we noticed so far. Just the pier is broken. That's sad. Nice little waves and the people are in there. I checked the water temperature. It's actually more than 84 degrees. It's 84.4 degrees. So very nice. Unfortunately for the video is not going to be the best. We can see the Naples because it's overcast, too many clouds. Too many clouds. Fishing should be very good right now, if we can believe the birds. This place looks beautiful. But when it's sunny, it looks way more beautiful. So please come here on a nice sunny day. Anyways, it's good to be here on any day. Why is it nice to be here on any day, guys? Because like right now it's not sunny and it's not getting hot as fast as it's usually getting hot. Remember that Naples is South Florida, and even in October it's very hot over here. It's like 85 degrees outside, but it seems like it's 95. But if it would be sunny, it would feel like 105. And it's a big difference, trust me. The beach is pretty much crowded, but not too much. Still, there is a lot of space. Look at this fun people have riding on the waves. a beautiful place to watch the sunset. Sunsets over here as gorgeous as ours. Maybe even more gorgeous. I cannot rate it because all the sunsets are beautiful in my opinion. Now that's all we can say about the beach. I don't see too much of beach rentals or like beach fun activity that you can pay money for. I don't know why, but I don't see anything so far. Let's go, let's see the beautiful neighborhoods of not Fort Myers, never mind, Naples Beach town.
I have to work maintenance.
My boss owns in the buildings. And he's like third.
Nothing cool so far, unfortunately. Just a little street with little cars parked here. But that's a good spot. You can park right on the beach. And I'm pretty sure you'll pay the same $5 an hour, which is nice. This is a beautiful place to spend your night. Here, the downtown is just amazing. There's lots of restaurants and little businesses. You can go shopping or eat in any of these amazing restaurants. We've been eating in a couple of them so far, maybe even more than that over the years. But we've never been disappointed. Just pick one and come in and enjoy your night with your friends or family. What else we can see? The beautiful houses. When I'm walking by myself without cameras, I'm always checking the market and how much people did pay for these houses or how much do they ask while selling these houses. And I was like, oh my goodness. It's always like, oh my goodness, $7 million, $3 million. I do not even know any people who can afford these houses. Or at least those people are hiding their real identity, their real rich identity from me. So that's why I'm always curious what people do for a living to afford this kind of life. I'm not a big fan of big houses, personally. I like tiny houses. I feel more safe and cozy in a tiny house. And also, like, it's way easier to clean the house when it's small. But I guess people who can afford this kind of houses, they also can afford their cleaning service. Oh, this is a condo or apartment complex? I don't understand. But it doesn't look beautiful and attractive to me. Roller skating people. Look at this nice garden. Oh, I like it. This building is called Naples Marina. I have no idea what is that. Looks like the art workshop in there. Gorgeous house. Just very stylish with beautiful garden. The nature is different from ours, Clearwater Beach nature, Tampa nature. A little more tropical, I would say. And it's beautiful. And there's some animals that we don't have over there too. They have different lizards. They have ours too, but we don't have theirs lizards. I never saw any iguanas over here, so I cannot say for sure if they exist here or no. I just like walking over here, and I hope residents are not angry about that. That cheap and poor people allow themselves to walk here. I know it's funny. I don't see any birds that are different from ours over here. It's just the same as ours. Same doves, same parrots, same all kinds of herons and pelicans and seagulls. But I'm pretty sure they have some specific birds that we don't have there. The fishing is a little different from ours. They have more fish in here because the waters are warmer all year round than our waters. And that's it, guys. That's all I can tell you about the Naples Beach. I would recommend to visit this place. It's very nice, gorgeous, and beautiful, and cozy. Hello. And you will enjoy it here, I promise. If you hate the hot weather, just come here like November through March and then leave because it's going to get hot. Between April and October, it's really hot over here. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it and subscribe. Have a good one. Bye-bye.